there was a lot of work that was done in the shadows. There was a lot of failure along the lines. And they gave themselves that room to grow. That's why they say overnight success happens in just 10 years, right? It would seem like overnight success when you finally do it, when those people finally get it that you've been watching, but it wasn't overnight. They gave themselves quite a number of years to actually figure it out. And guess what? They're still figuring it out. Even though they are successful now, they're still figuring it out. Talk less of you or I, who is brand new to this business, and you're like, I'm just going to make a killing immediately. Come on. So first of all, for me, I had a 9 to 5. Second of all, it's my first time trying to do that type of business. Please, what kind of miracle was I expecting? You have to give yourself time to actually learn. And you will learn by doing. And the clarity to do better will come from execution. But that takes time. I cannot stress this enough, that you need to give yourself enough time. And I'm also preaching to myself, because this is something that I sometimes struggle with, even today. I have to be realistic. As of the time of recording this, right, we have 6 more months left in the year. And I cannot tell you how many times I've gone back to my battle board where I write out all my goals for the rest of the year, each month, the big milestones that I want to hit. And I have to take a step back and say, is this actually realistic? Because if you want to be a high performer, and being a high performer doesn't mean burning out in other areas of life, burning the candles on both ends so that you can win in business or something. That's not what being a high performer is. Being a high performer is performing above standard norms over a long time without sacrificing your well-being and your relationships. So, sis, bro, if you're going to have time to sleep 7 to 8 hours a day, if you're going to have time to nurture your body, eat well, exercise, hydrate, stretch, meditate, pray, read a book, take a walk, all the things that refresh you. If you're going to have time to do that, and then you need to have time to work on your business, and maybe if you still have a 9 to 5, you need to show up and be on your A game there. And then you're probably not just an individual, an island in this world. You probably have family members. Maybe you're married, you have your spouse, maybe you have children. And if you don't have any of those, you probably have siblings or cousins or your parents, and you want to be there. You have friends, you want to spend time with them. Come on. Let us be realistic, especially in this our modern world, DIY world, where you do everything yourself, of which that is another episode I'm going to talk about, but I'm going to talk about valuing time over money. Another topic for another day. But before I digress, back to this, if you're going to have time, you all to do all of these things, and you want to succeed in this business that you're building, or your side hustle, because you're tired of this 9 to 5 life, well, you're going to have to get super duper realistic and giving yourself time to rest